So I totally forgot to tell you guys this, but I actually got new wheels. So I removed my TEs right here. These are my TE37 SLs, 15 by 8 with a 35 offset. And then these are Toyo Proxys RRs, 225, 45, 15s. I love 15s because they're super lightweight. This wheel right here is 11.3 pounds. So yeah, probably the lightest 15 by 8 in the game. And the cool part with TEs, they can fit big brakes. Like RPF ones, they're kind of hard to fit big brakes. But anyways, if you guys are looking for TEs or whatever, you can get them from Evasive Motorsports. They actually carry them in all sorts of different sizes. But you want to see my new wheel? I've been rocking white wheels on my Integra for the last 4 years since I started modding this thing. And I wanted to try something different. So here we go. We got TE37 SLs in matte blue finish. And then I don't have the center caps right now because I need to order it from Japan. No one really stocks it. The weird part is I don't know if I want to use the red stickers. I might make like custom yellow ones or something. I'm not sure if the SLs came with yellows, but pretty cool. Here are some of the markings if you guys are curious. I'm very OCD with a lot of things, so I mark everything. So the wheel nuts right here, I got that marked. Oh, sorry for the overexposure. And then the inside right there is also marked. And then over here, this is kind of interesting, like race guys do this. They mark it just to see if it slips. The SLs don't have the ribs in the inside, the knurling. So it could slip, but I doubt it. Stepping back a little bit, what do you guys think? It looks pretty good, right? I mean, yellow and blue kind of matches a little bit. Now, one thing is red wheels, I don't think looks good on anything. I mean, you could have a white car with red wheels, it still looks funny, but blue, this one right here seems to be okay. I am keeping my whites because I'm gonna be swapping out race tires in between. So there's a possibility that I could be rocking whites on one side and then blues on the other side, vice versa, whatever, you know, but I've rocked white wheels on this car since the beginning. So I wanted to just change it up. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, same wheels, same tires, so yeah, I mean, the only thing I'm missing here is the center caps, which actually doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I mean, it looks very racy. So there you go. If you guys want to make your car look a little bit more aggressive, I guess get some darker wheels. So the one thing that's bad about the TE37 SLs, they're being discontinued. Now, I'm not sure if it's all the sizes or is it just the 15, 8, 35 offset, but I know these are getting discontinued and it's gonna be really hard to find these in the coming months. So yeah, get them while you can. Most of these are being sold out, and the whites I think are easier to find. The blue, not so much. Silver, I mean, I wanted titanium silver and I couldn't find them. So I just like, I guess I'm getting the blue ones. But yeah, they're getting discontinued. I'm not sure what the reasoning is. It's probably because these things are super lightweight and most modern cars are heavy as hell. And they don't want these things to bend with modern cars being so heavy. So yep, that's kind of the poopy part, is if I bend one of these, I'm not going to be able to get one unless it's like, you know, used.